Good day, everyone. In this video, I will show you the difference between the running total and the summarize tool in Alteryx. So the first thing I'm going to do here is that let me run the bingo data set I pull into my Alteryx Canvas just for us to take a look at what the data contains. So let's give it a run. So I have 3 fields and 12 records. And my fields are the state, product, and the unit sold. So let's go to the transform palette and bring in the summarize tool. I'm going to drop it at the top, and I will drag and drop the running total at the bottom just for us to see the difference and the configuration of the two tools. So let's click on the summarize tool. So click on the summarize tool. You can see we have the fields and the action. So what I want to do is that I want to group by my product, and I want to sum by the unit sold for the summarize tool. So I'll select the product, and I'll click on the action that says group by, and I will select my unit sold. I'll click on the action that says sum. So I'm going to give that a run. So if you click on the summarize tool, let's go to our input. You can see that in our input, you have 3 fields and 12 records. And in our output anchor, we have just the products that we group by and the sum on the product. So if you take a look at this, we still have the 7 unique products still here. And what the summarize tool does was that it added any product that have the same product name. It added the value together. So let's take a look at this. So for the Apple, we have Apple 566 and we have Apple 452. So if you go to our Apple anchor for Apple, now we have 1018, which means it summarizes all the values of Apple that we have in the data set. So let's go to the running total. So in the running total, you can see we have a group by option in the configuration panel, and we have the create running total. So I want to group by my product. So I will check the product, and I want to create a running total for the unit sold. So I'm going to check on the unit sold, and let's give it a run. So now, if you take a look at the running total, what it does was that it added appended like a new column to it. And for each of the product that we have, so let's just stick our eyes on the product column. You can see we have for the record number 1, we have orange to be 234. So what it does is that it picked the initial value of the orange to be 234, and it added it to the next orange that we have in our data set. So this is going to be 234 plus 712 to give us 946. And for the apple, you can see the first value of the apple we have for the Chicago is 452, and it added the 452 to the 566 as the apple for the state of Texas. And the total value for Apple that we have here is 1018. In the case of the summarize tool, what it does for Apple was that just added all the value we have for Apple, and it created a unique product ID for Apple. But in the running total, what it does is that for each of the product that we have in our data set, it creates a running total by adding the initial value of the first product for that product type to the next product of the same product type. So this is how to use a summarize tool and a running total. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you.